Okay, we're lost in this forest.
Did you press start?
Yes. We've been following this trail.
Right over here.
We've been following this trail.
We found some chimpanzees.
We've been following this trail for about 5 minutes. But we went like through trees and stuff, and we're like lost. We actually did make a shelter. I will show you it.
Let's go to the shelter.
You guys, let's go to the shelter. Oh, we also found this.
Shelter. That's what I found. It's
Okay, we have to go to the shelter. Okay, I lied. We've been here for like half an hour. We've been eating marshmallows and stuff that we have in our bag.
Show me the.
Because we've been on a hike. We've been on a hike, but now we don't know where to go. So we just been walking randomly. And Kyle won't shut up.
I said okay, I'll stop. Can I do the monkey sounds?
Yes. Okay, our shelter's right over here. Oh, those are our nets. If we find any huntings.
We found shotgun shells.
We did. We found 2.
3.
Oh, there's a vine that is going to break the tree, so I'm running.
Swinging on a vine.
That's our shelter.
It's gonna fall.
Our freezing awesome shelter. Go on.
Trinity. Shut up.
Yeah, that's our truly jammer.
What are you doing? What's that? Oh my god. What are you doing? Can I have that circle thing? I want to tie her to the tree. I just want to see if this will work. No, I seriously just... Okay, watch out. They can eat her. Can we leave her here?
Okay, if you're watching this, get your own camera, find a forest, make a video response of you in a forest, try to build the best shelter ever, and don't burp. Okay, well, pack some snacks, pack some water, go into a forest, make a YouTube video response. Untie her. Okay, you guys, let's go back to the trail and try to find our way home.
Are we seriously lost?
Yeah.